Welcome to Oaxaca, one of the most culturally rich and diverse states in Mexico. Located in the southern part of the country, Oaxaca is a place where ancient history meets modern culture. From the bustling streets of Oaxaca City to the tranquil beaches of the Pacific coast, Oaxaca offers a tapestry of experiences that captivate the senses. Let's explore its wonders together. Oaxaca's heart beats to a rhythm of dramatic landscapes, sculpted by nature over millennia. The mighty Sierra Madre del Sur forms the backbone of the state, its slopes cloaked in verdant forests that give way to arid valleys below. These mountains have fostered a sense of isolation, allowing unique cultures and traditions to flourish. Descend from the cool heights and you'll find yourself in valleys where agriculture thrives under the warm Mexican sun. Fields of agave shimmer silver green, their heart extracted to produce the smoky spirit mezcal. The Pacific Ocean crashes against Oaxaca's shores, a powerful reminder of the raw beauty of nature. Fishing boats bob gently in the harbors while surfers carve graceful arcs through the waves. This diversity of landscapes creates a mosaic of microclimates. The highlands experience cool, temperate weather, while the valleys bask in subtropical warmth. It is this very diversity that makes Oaxaca so captivating, a land of contrasts waiting to be explored. Oaxaca is a land where ancient whispers linger in the air, a place where the past and present intertwine seamlessly. The echoes of ancient civilizations resonate in the present, creating a unique tapestry of history and culture. 16 distinct indigenous groups call Oaxaca home, each contributing to the region's rich cultural mosaic. Each group has its own language, customs, and beliefs passed down through generations. The Zapotec, renowned for their ancient city of Monte Albán, have left an indelible mark on the region's history. The Mixtec, known for their intricate turquoise mosaics and remarkable craftsmanship, add another layer of depth to Oaxaca's heritage. These are but two threads in the rich tapestry of cultures that make up Oaxaca. Step into a village market and you'll be greeted by a kaleidoscope of colors and patterns, a feast for the senses. The markets are alive with the vibrant energy of daily life, where tradition and modernity coexist. Women weave intricate designs on backstrap looms, their nimble fingers bringing life to vibrant textiles that tell stories of their heritage. Each textile is a work of art, a testament to the skill and creativity of the weavers. Language, too, is a vital part of Oaxaca's cultural heritage, with each indigenous group preserving its unique linguistic traditions. Walk through the streets of Oaxaca City and you'll hear a symphony of languages, each with its own rhythm and melody. From the melodic tones of Zapotec to the guttural sounds of Mixtec, these languages are a living testament to the region's diversity. Spoken for centuries, these languages are a testament to the resilience and enduring spirit of these cultures. Elders pass down stories and traditions, ensuring that the cultural heritage remains vibrant and alive. The preservation of these traditions is a testament to the strength and unity of the indigenous communities. Festivals, often rooted in ancient agricultural cycles or religious beliefs, offer a glimpse into the soul of Oaxaca. These vibrant celebrations are a testament to the enduring spirit and cultural richness of the people of Oaxaca. Nestled in a valley surrounded by rolling hills, Oaxaca City beckons with a captivating blend of history, culture, and architectural splendor. Founded in the 16th century by Spanish conquistadors, Oaxaca City became a melting pot of cultures. Designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site, the city's historic center is a testament to its rich past. Cobblestone streets wind their way past grand colonial buildings, their facades adorned with intricate carvings and ornate balconies. At the heart of the city stands the Templo de Santo Domingo, a masterpiece of Baroque architecture. Its facade, a riot of intricate carvings and sculptures, seems to reach for the heavens. Step inside and you'll be enveloped in a world of gilded altars, soaring ceilings, and breathtaking religious art. Cafes spill out onto the sidewalks, their tables filled with locals and tourists alike, sipping strong Oaxacan coffee. As the sun sets, the Zocalo, Oaxaca City's main square, comes alive with families enjoying the evening paseo. In Oaxaca, food is more than just sustenance. It's an art form, a celebration of flavors passed down through generations. The culinary traditions here are a vibrant tapestry woven from the threads of indigenous heritage and Spanish influence, creating a unique and rich gastronomic culture. The soul of Oaxacan cuisine lies in its deep connection to the land and its reliance on fresh local ingredients. Farmers work tirelessly to cultivate the freshest produce, ensuring that every dish bursts with flavor and authenticity. Oaxaca's most iconic dish, mole, is a testament to the complexity and depth of its cuisine. This sauce, with its myriad of ingredients, tells a story of cultural fusion and culinary innovation. This rich, savory sauce, often served with chicken or turkey, requires hours of meticulous preparation and a symphony of ingredients. Each family has its own mole recipe, passed down through generations, making every bite a unique experience. From the smoky heat of chili peppers to the earthy richness of chocolate, mole is a flavor explosion. The balance of sweet and savory, spicy and smooth is a culinary marvel that showcases the ingenuity of Oaxacan chefs. Tlayudas, large crispy tortillas piled high with refried beans, cheese and toppings, are a street food staple. These hearty, satisfying dishes are perfect for a quick meal on the go, embodying the spirit of Oaxacan street food culture. And then there's mezcal, the smoky spirit distilled from the heart of the agave plant. This traditional drink is more than just a beverage. It's a symbol of Oaxacan heritage and craftsmanship, often enjoyed during celebrations and gatherings. Venture into the markets and you'll be greeted by a feast for the senses, with mountains of colorful produce and the aroma of freshly ground coffee. The markets are the heartbeat of Oaxacan life, where locals and visitors alike come together to share in the bounty of the land. Whether you're savoring a steaming bowl of pozole or indulging in a cup of tejate, Oaxacan cuisine is an adventure for the palate. Each dish tells a story, inviting you to explore the rich cultural heritage and culinary traditions of this vibrant region. Beyond the cultural riches of its cities and towns, Oaxaca unfolds into a world of breathtaking natural beauty. From the sun-drenched beaches of the Pacific coast to the cloud-shrouded peaks of the Sierra Madre del Sur, Oaxaca is a paradise for nature lovers. On the coast, the crashing waves of the Pacific Ocean sculpt dramatic cliffs and carve out hidden coves. Puerto Escondido, a haven for surfers, draws wave riders from around the globe. Further south, the turquoise waters of Huatulco beckon with their promise of snorkeling adventures and secluded beaches. Venture inland and you'll discover a world of lush forests and hidden waterfalls. The Sierra Norte, a region of cloud forests and pine oak woodlands, offers a welcome respite from the heat of the lowlands. For a truly immersive experience, head to the Pueblos Mancomunados, a network of 8 Zapotec villages committed to sustainable tourism. Oaxaca's landscapes hold more than just natural beauty. They cradle the remnants of ancient civilizations. These archaeological sites offer a captivating glimpse into the ingenuity and artistry of Oaxaca's ancestors. Perched atop a mountain overlooking the valley of Oaxaca, Monte Albán, the ancient capital of the Zapotec civilization, stands as a testament to their architectural prowess. This sprawling complex, with its grand plazas, elaborate tombs and towering pyramids, was once a thriving metropolis. As you wander through the ruins, imagine the bustling city that once thrived here. Priests conducted sacred ceremonies atop the pyramids, their chants carried on the wind. Merchants bartered for goods from distant lands and artisans carved intricate glyphs into stone. Further north, nestled in the heart of the Mixtec region, lies Mitla, a site renowned for its intricate mosaics and unique architectural style. These mosaics, a hallmark of Mixtec artistry, tell stories, their intricate designs encoding myths, genealogies, and historical events. In Oaxaca, life is a vibrant tapestry woven with ancient traditions and joyous celebrations. The streets come alive with music, dance, and the vibrant colors of traditional attire, creating an atmosphere that is both festive and deeply spiritual. Festivals, deeply rooted in indigenous beliefs and Catholic traditions, punctuate the year. These celebrations are not just events, they are a way of life, reflecting the rich cultural heritage and the syncretism that defines Oaxaca. No festival is more iconic than Dia de los Muertos, the Day of the Dead. This celebration, which takes place at the end of October and the beginning of November, is a profound expression of love and respect for ancestors. This ancient celebration is a time to remember and honor deceased loved ones with joy and celebration. Families gather in cemeteries, bringing offerings and decorating graves with marigolds, candles, and personal mementos. Families create elaborate altars adorned with offerings of food, drinks, and the deceased's favorite things. These altars, or ofrendas, are a central part of the celebration, symbolizing the connection between the living and the dead. The scent of copal incense fills the air, its smoke believed to guide the spirits back to the world of the living. This aromatic resin, burned in ceremonies, creates a mystical atmosphere that enhances the spiritual experience. As night falls, cemeteries come alive with candlelight and the scent of marigolds. The flickering flames and the vibrant orange flowers create a serene and beautiful setting, inviting the spirits to join the living in celebration. Families gather around the graves, sharing stories, singing songs, and remembering those who have passed on. This communal act of remembrance strengthens family bonds and keeps the memories of loved ones alive. The Guelaguetza, held each July in Oaxaca City, is a riot of color and sound, a celebration of the state's diverse indigenous cultures. This festival showcases traditional music, dance, and costumes, highlighting the rich cultural mosaic of Oaxaca. From the solemn processions of Semana Santa to the joyous revelry of village fiestas, Oaxaca's festivals offer a window into the soul of its people. Each celebration, whether somber or jubilant, reflects the deep-rooted traditions and the vibrant spirit of the Oaxacan community. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Oaxaca. From its rich cultural heritage to its stunning natural beauty, Oaxaca truly is a gem of Mexico. We've explored ancient ruins, witnessed vibrant traditions, and savored the flavors of its extraordinary cuisine. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing travel content.